GLM 5.3 Flash is the frontier intelligence model with flash cost. Right now, you can use GLM 5.3 Flash completely for free using Cline. And here is the announcement: 320 billion parameters with 18 billion active, and this model is beating frontier models on benchmark. Here you can see a benchmark from deep SW version on, and here GLM 3.5 Flash is performing 63.4. And in this video I will show you how to use GLM 5.3 for free in VS Code using Cline. Okay, so for this, at first you will open Visual Studio Code, and right now we can see the interface. What you will do, so to use GLM 5.3 Flash for free, you will have to install an extension. The extension called it Cline. You will simply go to the extension tab, and here you will search Cline. Cline is an autonomous coding agent right in your IDE. It's capable of creating, editing files, running commands, and using the browsers and more with the permission every step the way. And this is the most popular plugin to use different providers in your IDE. Okay, so let me install it. At first I'm just clicking installed, and it's installed. When you have installed it, you can see this is the Cline icon. You can use it from here. At first you need to click here. You can see right now how will you use Cline. You can go with absolutely free. You will have Cline Pass. So this is low cost subscription plan for best open weight model. Here frontier coding, if you want to just use Claude GPT Codex Gemini provider, you can also do that. Or if you have API key, then you can go with bring my own API key. Okay, so I will go with the absolutely free options, and here make this check mark and then click continue. So you can see right now GLM 5.3 Flash is free here with 1310.72k context, and the speed is average. Here you will see DeepSeek V4 Flash is also free to use, and Ligona S2.1 is free. Okay, as we're going to use GLM 5.3 Flash, so let me select this, and then to use this free model, at first you need to create an account on Cline. So let me click this create an account, and then open it on a browser. Here it will redirect to the cline.bolt. This is the official website of Cline, and here what you will do, so you need to sign into your Cline account. If you don't have an account, you need to create an account. Okay, let me click sign in, and so here I will click register. I will skip it for now. Okay, so this is my Cline account created, and now here you can see complete account creation in your browser. Then back to here to now you can see it's done. What you will have to do, look, at first you need to get the model. So how you get that, you can go to the settings, then here you can see API provider. Here you will choose Cline uses billing, and if you want to go with DeepSeek, you will have options Anthropic, OpenRouter, Olama, and more others provider is available. If you wanna use for free, you will have to choose Cline uses billing, and here you can see, so under this free tab you will have GLM 5.3 Flash for free, DeepSeek V4 Flash, and Laguna Flash. Here we'll choose this and then click done. So right now this model is added here. What you can do from directly here, you can just start building your projects. At first let me say hi and see if it's working or not. Then we'll click this arrow button or simply press enter. Now you can see this model has 1.3 million context window, and here you can see the results. Okay, so hi, I am Cline, ready to help you with coding tasks, write coding, debugging, exploring a code base, or running commands, or etc. Okay, so here you can just start building your projects or just build some stuff.